YouTube? Today we're taking the Rabbit over to Gaiman's Exhaust and we're going to have them cut out the resonator and put a piece of straight pipe in and check for leaks in the section that me and Evan did for where the cat was. So I'm going to pull it over there. Now, you guys already know what it sounded like if you watched the previous video, so we'll get a sound clip after they're done with it. So, it turns out I actually ended up getting the old pipe that I just put on cut off, and he would just welded a whole new section in, like a whole 3-foot piece, because the way the exhaust sat before, it hung really low. So he fixed that for me. He replaced a couple of the hangers, so now this exhaust sits a lot better, and he did all that for a low price of $64. And while he was doing that, I helped some guy put a light bulb in his Toyota Tacoma in the parking lot because he was having a little bit of trouble with it, and he ended up giving me 20 bucks, so I gave it right back to them basically. Gave him a little tip as well because they do all my work and they're super cheap. So TJ just helped me record a little exhaust clip, and I tried a little burnout, but it needs to be wet out to do a burnout in that car, so he's gonna try and start his TDI. Oh, are you for real?
No, the battery's dead, bro.
You didn't have the clutch in. Oh. Yep, his battery's dead. No TDI start today.
I might be able to.
That's alright, one day we'll get a start of this thing. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. I just wanted to update you guys on what I was doing with the exhaust. So basically, it's not quite as loud as I was hoping it would be, so at some point I'm probably gonna make it a little bit louder, whether that's changing the muffler or just getting rid of it completely. But I'm real happy with the work that Gaiman's did. They got the exhaust sitting a lot nicer. I don't know if you guys saw the videos before, but it was real crooked, so she sits a lot better now. And she's parked away in the garage. But I got some exciting content coming, which this video will probably get posted like around the same time that video gets posted anyway. So but I'm going snowboarding tomorrow, so definitely gonna bring the GoPro with. And for anyone wondering, I'm using Hannah's camera right now until I get the discount coupon from GoPro, and then I'm gonna order the Hero 7 Black Edition.